1975 Plymouth Fury Pursuit. This one here, NYPD. Really nice car. This one, Greenlight Artisan Limited Edition. Gonna have a good look on it. Got your 75 Plymouth front end, very similar to the 75 Coronet of the same year. I kept the antenna in this one, show y'all what they are. This is one of the ones on the first run. You'll see there's no trim, and you'll see that as she falls over a bit, but still nice, adds a little depth to your model. It looks good. A little thick, that'd be quite a pipe in real world, but 18 scale, you know, we got it. Front of the vehicle, got your tag, you got the painted rim, just like NYPD had them. Those wheels painted them body color. The only thing about the wheels on these cars, on the early ones, these wheels, these came on the later vehicles. They were not available on these early Plymouths. Easy swap. This car can be 100% correct very easily. Take a look at the back here. Sits right. Even though this car is a Pursuit Plymouth, as Greenlight says, these New York vehicles definitely anything but Pursuit worthy. This car probably had a small V8. Some of them cars might have had a 6. Looking in here, usually single exhaust, dual, or an option. Got the tan. Another little thing, they put the same seat, all the cars so far. Armrest. Really didn't have armrest in them cars. Maybe, but not on a car. Fleet, very, very high order car. They would have tried to save money. It would have definitely been bench. Definitely. You got your precinct number, unit number. It's missing a little bit of detail in that respect. Good representation up top. There's your light bar. 70s car. Very common. Everything exposed. These lights are usually driven by one motor, chain, run them lights. It's missing obviously the detail in there, but still got the white and the silver and the chrome. Gumball's incorrect, but close. I used the Mars, I believe, is a little fatter. Back, NYPD fans might notice those are supposed to be amber. So, easy change. Back deck, another separation. Decent. I don't know if it would have came down on the peak like that, but there you go. You'll see in there, package shelf, and that's how Greenlight does their windows. Looks like a separate chrome strip when it's not. So, I mean, that looks nice. Painted, trim. This may or may not have been trimmed out at the factory. Could have just had paint on it just as much as being trimmed in silver. but looks good. Limited edition car, so take that down. See under there, they serialize them. It's upside down, but you get the point. Who knows how many? I know that the Arkansas car we did, that car's got a lower number on it. It's got an 89. Good looking car. But yeah, there's our Plymouth. It's got the nice police on there. Looks like it'll definitely send out a signal to all those criminals. It's a good looking unit. Very nice. Of course, if you need it, these guys are here for backup. But anyway, this one's a great car. Very highly recommended. Again, some of the inaccuracies carry over, but for the experienced modeler, easy to overcome. And a great looking vehicle for your collection. Highly recommended.